Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I have a ThredUp unboxing. This one is the 25-piece women's clothing box. I had a credit from sending a bunch of inventory that I didn't want to sell anymore. I had a credit from sending them that, and I've been waiting to find a 25-piece box for what feels like forever. I've been stalking their website, haven't found one yet, but they had one in stock the other morning, so I bought it. I haven't been home all day. So originally, it's a 25-piece women's mixed clothing box. I've had good luck with it in the past. Usually it's $60, but I paid like $42 after my credits were applied, so I was super excited about it. So that makes my cost of goods $1.68 a piece if I have 25 that I will be selling. So, but I'm a little nervous because of how fast it came, so I'm hoping that it's good. I don't know. I've had really good luck with it in the past, so fingers are crossed. All right, first thing. Kay's Loft. This is exactly like what I sent into them and sold. But this one's really cute. It's like sheer. It's got the smocking and the ruffle. I do think that this is actually cute. And I think that this would be like a good transition-y piece. I mean, right now we're like in summer, so yeah. All right. Oh, okay. I'm surprised these are in here because they have a denim box. These are mother jeans. I haven't had as good of luck with selling my mother jeans recently, but that's okay. They are the Insider Crop Step Fray in a size 24, so a really small size. They've got the distressing, they're a gray wash jean, but I will definitely sell those, so yeah. This is Sanctuary. I don't know that Sanctuary is anything, but I'm not 100% certain. It is a size small. It's a pretty cute style. It's a red with this floral and like the buttons down. I'm gonna have to look that one up because I don't know anything about that brand. I can't tell so far these things that they had on their website or that they did not. I feel like the 25-piece box they usually have like on their site. I don't know. I feel like I usually find better stuff in the 25-piece box, but okay, this is Loft Outlet, so just a pretty basic. It is 100% cotton gray stripe. It's got this bell sleeve, so it's pretty cute. Pretty cute little basic. I'll probably try to sell it. I want to make sure that I'm getting my money's worth. And my cost of goods, if it's under $2, then, you know, that's good. Oh, this is Lululemon with the pull tag still. It's a size 20. Oh, is that the image? Oh, no. Oh, yeah. It looks like, I don't know if you can see. Because I don't think it's supposed to be like that. I might try bleaching it. I might list it as is. I'm not sure because I don't think it's supposed to be there. I don't know if you can kind of see it. It almost looks like attempted, what is that word? Attempted tie-dye. But I'll wash that. If not, I might still try to list it. We'll kind of see. It is a good size and a good brand, so. Loft again, extra small. Is this fabric something? Because it feels like it might be wool. It's a viscose nylon wool blend, but this is a really pretty color. It's a small size again, but I really like this light blue. It's got buttons down the back. That's very cute. I'll try to list it. Low Loft. Okay, I'm a little nervous. That's all right. Banana Republic Factory, size small petite. It's pretty green color, satiny, sleeveless button down blouse. Most likely gonna try to sell. All right, Lucky Brand, size small. It's got the embroidery down the front. On the sleeves, it's a bell sleeve again. Really pretty. I'll try to sell it. Like I said, most of these I am going to try to sell, but Okay, ASOS, size 2. Sweater, does this sweater, is it anything? I can't really tell by the feel. But this one I don't think it is. Yeah, it's just acrylic and nylon. But will be a good fall piece, a turtleneck sweater, really cute. Just kind of got the larger sleeves again. Cyrus, I can't remember if this brand is anything or not. It's very soft, but I think it's just like acrylic. Or nylon and polyester, okay. It is a size large. And a pretty color and a cute style. I don't know. I'll have to look that one up, see what all I have. I don't feel like I wasted my money because I should be able to make my money back that I had to spend on the box. Hopefully on the one pair of jeans and then maybe just one other thing. So I'm not too worried. White House Black Market, size 0, tan, little like utility jacket. I'll try to sell it. I don't think I have anything White House Black Market listed, but this is J. Crew 365 size 0. I don't know if that makes it anything or not. Yeah, the fabric isn't anything size 0, but it is a cute little blazer. So I will try it. J. Crew Factory size 6, but this is a really cute dress. I wish that this were my size. It's like this green floral tiered midi dress. Kind of gives me like the cottagey core vibes, and it does have pockets, so that's good. This is regular Banana Republic, size 12 petite. Little geometry print dress. Oh, I thought there was a stain, but it's just a fabric, piece of fabric. It's mostly cotton, got a little bit of spandex in it. It almost makes me feel like it gives me like retro-y vibes. Oh, this is an older Green Label Ralph Lauren, size 4 petite, 100% silk dress. Little, I think it's like a tunic length, hard to tell, but I think it's like a tunic length, but that's cute and I'll sell it. This is Halogen, size medium, black, asymmetrical skirt. Hey, I could probably wear that over my belly for the summer. I don't know what I'll do with this one because I don't really like selling Halogen. I don't find that it moves for me. I don't know that many people are looking it up. Ann Taylor petite, size 0 petite, little plain pencil skirt. Okay, this is Free People, size extra large plaid pants. I think these are cute. I'll definitely try to sell those. J. Crew Factory Ruby crop pant, size 2. Just a simple classic work basic. A lot of workwear in this. I feel like whenever they were packing it, they were like, let's stuff it full of workwear. Ann Taylor Factory, size 2, black pants. You know, I'll try to sell anything, honestly. So, well, almost anything. Madewell jeans. I'm surprised that there are so much denim in here since I have a DIY denim box. These are the Road Tripper crop, size 27, mid-wash jean. More down. Am I just getting down to denim? Madewell. The Emmett wide leg crops, size 28. So this one's good style and size. New with tags, Loft Beef. Marissa Skinny, size 4. They are a gray camo, but no tags, so that's good. I think this is the last pair of denim. Rachel by Rachel Roy, size 2. Skinny leg jean. I don't know about, think I have one Rachel Roy thing in my closet. Alright, what is this? Okay, this is the last piece. It is a Michelangelo size 2 strapless formal gown. Okay. This reminds me of like my mom or my aunt's prom dress. Kind of from like the 90s, early 2000s. Anyways, so that is everything. I don't know comps on this. I've never looked up this brand or heard of it to my knowledge, but we'll probably try to sell it. So let's just count up everything. Okay, so I did get 25 pieces. I have the one Lululemon that I'm going to try to wash first to hopefully get out whatever that funkiness is. So that's one. I've got 1, 2, 3 things to look up, and then the halogen skirt that I'm just really 50-50 on. So that's 4. That's then 5. So that means 20 pieces. I have 2 sell, which is not bad at all. My cost of goods, like I said, was $45. So, and really, no matter what, I'm probably going to try to sell this Lululemon piece. I just might not sell it for the most money, but that makes my average cost of goods, if I have 20 and I spent, well, 21 and I spent 45, that makes it like $2 and some change. So, I think, yeah, that's right. I can't do math right now, guys. Sorry, long day. I don't think that this was the worst box. I'll definitely make my money plus on it just with a few pieces, even if I didn't list everything. But I don't feel like it was my best box in the whole world, but that's okay. I mean, I still got a lot of really sellable things, so cannot complain. Let me know what you think of my box down below. Obviously, it's always a gamble, and I do not feel like I lost. But let me know your thoughts below. Yeah, if you enjoyed, be sure to subscribe, stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.